But do you carry the same, like, do you think it's important? I mean, do you always carry the same pistol? Do you know, whether it be a Glock or Sig or whatever, or do you have like different pistols that you would say, I'm going to switch and then I have different holsters, or it's better just stick with one?
So me, I'm kind of a gun guy, right?
Right,
I
right,
have,
right.
I went away from gun of the week. I have a Staccato. It was a gift upon my retirement.
Oh,
I
wow.
absolutely love it. I have a hard time shooting it just because of the sentimental value to it.
Sure.
It's an amazing pistol, but for the most part, I just carry a Glock. I think the Gen 5 Glock 17 or Glock 9mm is pretty much the pinnacle of
Okay, so
what anybody needs. So I carry a Glock 17 pretty much anywhere I go.
17.
Yeah, I carry a full-size gun.
Wow.
If
When 17 rounds is not enough.
we'll talk about that, but I will carry a Glock 48 once in a while, but it's a
Okay.
Glock platform. I carry guns based off of KJ,
Right.
KJ,
Yeah.
what he describes as serving sizes, right? So like your average engagement is 5 to 7 rounds per engagement. With Glock 17 and the extra capacity mag, I've got 4 to 5 engagements I can get into if
Wow.
need be with that magazine, right?